If you love nature and you want to explore the lesser known side of Tanzania, keep watching this video. We're going to look 5 waterfalls in Tanzania. Number 1 is Cave Waterfall. Located on the slope of Mount Meru near the Arusha National Park, it is beautiful and serene cave waterfall situated at a height of 1,940 meters above sea level. One big thing to be noted is that there are some regulations that are to be followed to visit. The source of waterfall is a river that originated from the mountain, and there is a large pool at the bottom of the waterfall where visits. Number 2 is Sanjay Falls. You can't visit Tanzania without going to the Odzungwa Mountain National Park, and one of the premises of this park you will find one of the most spectacular waterfall in Tanzania. The Sanjay Falls, the waterfalls, is about 170 meters tall, blending beautiful with the green exotic landscape of the national park, and together they create an almost painting like image. Number 3 is Olmot Crater Waterfall. One of the most beautiful Tanzania waterfall is Olmot Crater Waterfall, situated in the Ngorongoro Conservation Area, truly living up to its name as one of the most splendid waterfall in the country. It can be seen even from miles away, and the beauty of waterfall instantly attract tourists to come and take a closer look. Number 4 is Sony Falls. If you are traveling from Tanzania to Kilimanjaro or just exploring the national park around that region, one of the Tanzanian waterfalls not to be missed are the Sony Falls, located in the West Usambara's Lushoto Mountain Reserve. Though it takes a while to get to the waterfall, all your effort will be rewarded once you reach and take in the beauty of this waterfall and how majestic stay look against the woods and the game background of the you can just sit back, unwind and enjoy the peace and quiet listening to the shouting sound of water flowing down. Number 5 is Thermi Waterfall. One of the most famous waterfall in Tanzania is the Thermi Waterfall, which is formed by one of the parts of Thermi River that flows into the Thermi Valley. What makes this waterfall different from all the ones is that it flows from one underground stream and keep flowing until it hits the end and flow to the bottom, creating a 15 meters long fall. The water in this is so clear and clean that is considered to be the purest form of water. Number 6 is Colombo Falls. Located on the southern side of Lake Tanganyika on the Tanzania-Zambian border, you will find the second large fall in Africa after the Tulenga Fall. The Colombo Falls plugging down a long tail of about 221 meters into Lake Tanganyika. This is unmistakable